Hmm? Yeah.
There we are. Smile.
What just a baby?
You got pain?
Yeah, baby.
What just a baby?
Yeah. That tablet will help you out, you know. What you got at home? How many girls you got?
I thought we get so full now.
You got 4 girls. Oh, you need a boy.
I know. Have you got any boy?
You're not taking in anymore, are
Unless we
you?
give one to
Anymore?
The next one is of the 8
yeah,
boy.
boy. That's why I don't want to.
So, what you trying to eat, sweetheart, eh? This
Yes,
is your
I had
little
food
fruits.
Anyway. We want a boy just to mix the color and, you know, but
I know.
in reality, we have a nice and
But anyway, as long as the baby is healthy, that's the main thing.
of course.
Can't
Who
beat
comes
you.
first?
Let me see what you're taking. Not my hands. See?
Not your hand.
No,
Okay.
shouldn't be.